When an air conditioning unit is older than 20 years and repairs are becoming frequent, it is time to recommend a full replacement rather than more short-term fixes. An aging unit loses efficiency and reliability, so start by checking the manufacture date on the nameplate and note the seasonal energy efficiency ratio or the energy efficiency ratio if visible, because units over 20 years typically operate at far lower efficiency than modern systems and drive utility bills up. Compare the cost of the next repair to a reasonable percentage of a new system cost. For example, if a single repair costs more than 20% of a replacement estimate, it usually makes financial sense to replace. Run a simple performance check. Measure cooling at the supply vents and compare to expected temperature drop of approximately 15 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit for a functioning system, and if the drop is much smaller, suspect duct or compressor failure that favors replacement. Consider long-term operating costs by estimating annual savings from a high-efficiency modern unit using published efficiency improvements and local electricity rates, and factor in available utility rebates or financing that can substantially reduce upfront expense. Recommend a written replacement estimate from at least 2 contractors that breaks out equipment, labor, and disposal, so homeowners can compare apples to apples and include estimated seasonal energy savings and expected equipment warranty length in each quote. If the homeowner plans to stay in the house for more than 3 to 5 years, emphasize life cycle cost over immediate outlay because higher efficiency systems often pay back through lower bills and greater home comfort. Common mistakes include waiting until the system fails entirely, which forces emergency replacement at higher cost and limited contractor choice. And the remedy is to plan a replacement when repairs become frequent and to schedule it during shoulder seasons for lower pricing. Another common issue is accepting the lowest initial quote without checking equipment efficiency, right sizing, and warranty details. Avoid that by asking for manual J or load calculation-based sizing, confirming matched manufacturer equipment, and requesting warranty terms in writing. A third problem is overlooking ductwork and airflow issues, which make new equipment underperform. Include a basic duct inspection, measure static pressure if possible, and budget for sealing or simple repairs so the new system achieves the expected efficiency and comfort. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors to get multiple replacement estimates and discuss options, and our discussion community lets people share experiences about efficiency, rebates, and trusted contractors. We help contractors find work by listing project opportunities and facilitating direct homeowner conversations.